Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw Swiss and red card. So let's get started. First, start by drawing a round circle here. And stop at here. Now another small circle inside. Now draw a curve to the right. And then a rectangular inside with another smaller rectangular. Now just following with me. A line downwards. And then continue with me. Draw the hands. Here also, draw the hand. Now draw the shoes. Just following with me slowly. A curve to the right. And then a line down. Now draw the pocket. Now we have Swiss and red card. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.